channel. I want to do an empty house tour. I was trying to do one before, but it just didn't work out at that point. So you will see some stuff in here already because I was here last week putting stuff up. But this is the entranceway. Like when you walk in, the door's behind me. This is like the living room area. That's my TV wrapped up. It's not gonna stay there, but yeah, let's just put it because it's when we're getting started. And like this is the closet. I'm guessing you call this the hallway closet. This is like bins from when we were here last week. My book bag. I love you some Riverdale. And when you walk in, this is the kitchen / dining room. This is like a little pantry. Here we have already bought stuff up here, like my tablecloths, my other table mats, tablecloth, like some signs. This is another tablecloth, and like the bins that we put stuff in, and also like focus, 20-pound bags of rice. If you're like come from the island, y'all know about the rice. These signs I got from Five Below. Yeah. So I got one for me, one for my daughter. I think this one is this one says, beautiful begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I think this is the one I'm hanging in my room. This is like a quote from Coco Chanel. And this one is for my daughter because she loves anything Paris and marble. So I thought this would be cute in her room. Paris is always a good idea. It's from Audrey Hepburn. Ooh. And what else? This is the kitchen. This is the dining room area. I kind of want to find a long table, like a long farmhouse table. That's like my idea because there is 4 of us. I have 3 kids plus me, but like holidays, like Christmas, Thanksgiving, my family rolls deep, so I kind of want like a long table to accommodate them. From my lips to God's ears, don't know. This is the boiler room. No, it's like where my boiler and everything is. I have no access to that, so I ain't gonna worry about that. And this is the kitchen, and I love the kitchen. I love this stove. I love the fact that I can see my food cooking. I love it. And my cousin and my sister and my mom's obsessed with these, like finishing on the cabinet. And I have like some seasoning up in here. I have like some sazon, some Cajun seasoning, and I have like 3 things of salt. Yes, that's like a hell of a lot of salt, but I got this at Sam's Club for like 88 cents. But the other 2 was like $1 at the supermarket by my house, my old, like basically my mama's house. And it takes me a long time to go through salt, so I just want to have salt as a backup because I'm very far from a supermarket. It is basically not the middle of nowhere, but is like I'm in the sticks, girl, the sticks. I just have like some gain up in there. That's it. I love the countertops. I love like the feel of it. And this is just like where I have all my, what do you call them? Like stuff for like, stuff that you used to cook with, because I really was trying to figure out the name of it and I couldn't. I got this sign from TJ Maxx. Yeah, TJ Maxx downtown. And I was going to put it in my daughter's room, but then I was like, I was kind of iffy about it, but it's just like, I feel like it should be somewhere on that wall over there, just or by the door, before the kids walk out, before the kids come in, it's just, you can, because trust me, girlfriend, I did not think I was going to be able to ever move out my mama house, but I'm happy I did. And this has nothing underneath here except for a fire hydrant, my sink, my spoons, utensil holder. I got this one from, I believe I got this from Home Goods. I think I got this from Home Goods. These are just like forks my mama gave me. And like this napkin I also got from Home Goods that I put on. Let's see if I can figure it out. Yeah. Let's spark. I think, yeah, let's spark flies, it says. Alright, I can't put it right. But yeah. Drying mat, because I don't have like a dish drainer yet. This cutting board I got from cutting board I got from Dollar General a while back. I have been collecting stuff for a very, 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 very long time. Trust me. And these are my Paula Deen, well, not that one, but these are my Paula Deen pots. You know, Paula Deen then pissed off everybody when she used the N-word and came out with trying to get rid of all her stuff. I racked up. Because this is usually like $100 and something. I think I paid like $15 for it. That's another one of the pots my mom bought me a while back. And this is just like other utensils for cooking. I love me some Pioneer Woman. I love my pizza cutter with the marble finish. I have something else like that. I just don't know where it is. And I have a measuring cup in there. Yeah. There's like all my measuring cups and like these marble spatulas and stuff I got from Dollar Tree. And I think and my cast iron pot, my Pioneer Woman pot my mom bought me, my nonstick that I got from QVC, and that other big pot, and my refrigerator, but you know, freezer at the top, but you know, right now my refrigerator is like balling. All I got in there is like some Parmesan cheese and some stuffing. I'm gonna get me some food. I'm gonna get me some food. And all I got is like these plates, these Pioneer Woman plates I got on clearance a while back. More plates and mixing bowls. And that's about it for the kitchen. I'll show you the bathroom. I really don't have anything in the bathroom. Literally, I have nothing in the bathroom. So this will be interesting. This is the, oh shit. This is my bathroom. That was great. This is just the bathroom. They need to come hang that up. But other than that, this is my daughter's room. Some of her stuff is in here because, like I said before, I had some stuff up here earlier this week. This is a step stool. It's a bench that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. That's like $79 on their website. I believe if you go into the store, they have it for 75% off, and you can stack it with that 25% off coupon and pay only $17 for it. Yeah, because it was like $20, but then I had stacked it with the coupon, and I paid like 17 or 16 bucks. This is just like blankets, her clothes, and this is her closet. She's not happy. She's happy about the room, but she's excited about the closet because I guess, you know, sharing the room with boys for so long, it has took her toll on her. This is my little linen closet / all my stuff I need to do laundry with, but I really don't want that to stay there for long, so I think I'm gonna get like a little bin or something to put that stuff in, just to like get it out the way from the kids. I'm not saying my kids will go in it, but just to be on the safe side. Yeah. And all my rack of soaps, I'm running out. I need more soap. This is my remote for my TV. And this is my boys' room. There are two of them that's gonna share a room in here. I'm pretty sure one on this side, one on the other side. I don't know. My kids are weird. And this is their closet. And that is basically it for the boys' room. I know one wants Pokemon sheets and one wants Five Nights at Freddy's, so we can do that. And this is my room. They say it's a mat. Okay, I'm turning on the fan. I have a ceiling fan in here. I just need to remember to stop turning on the damn ceiling fan. I'm not trying to turn on the light. This is my room. I have no ideas or any thoughts of what I'm gonna do in this room, how I'm gonna design it, anything, or put anything. I have no idea. I just want to focus on the kids' room and work from there. I love the closet space. That's all I own. I need to buy clothes. That's sad. The wire for my TV. Cause, yeah. My cousin had got me these two shoes, like flip-flops, whatever. They do not fit me, so I will give them to my daughter. I wear a size 13 in shoes, 12, 13, judge all you want, but hey. And these are this is like a throw blanket and a pillow, but yeah. Did I just turn it on again? Shit. Okay, let me take off these lights. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you like this little video I just did since I was here. Oh, and the living room also has a ceiling fan too. So this will be fun trying to figure out which light shuts which off. One thing I like about this is I do have central air. I actually love that because in the summertime it is very hard for me to sleep in the heat. I think my son also has that problem too. So it's good that I have that there. And I am beyond thankful. So, yes. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Bye.